Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a new 2024 GMC Canyon Elevation. Sterling metallic paint with a jet black interior. Under the hood you have a 2.7 liter turbo paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's jump right in, take a look at all of the different features that this vehicle has to offer. First we'll go ahead and take a look at the interior. You have that jet black finish on the door panel as well as along the dash at the front of the vehicle, the center console and the seats. Storage on the bottom and center of the door panel with power windows, mirrors, and locks. On the panel next to the steering wheel, you have some interior lighting control and your trailer brake controller. Beneath the lighting control, you have the black leather seating with power controls located on the side. Inside the vehicle, on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings, while the right has voice recognition, steering wheel audio controls, as well as the button here to change the display in front of you. There's a few different displays that you can change depending on the information you want shown displayed in front of you. The entertainment display has your audio, so this will be your AM, FM, Sirius XM radio. You have your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Digital climate controls will be in here. The physical climate controls just below with your temperature gauge, fan speed, air conditioning controls, and the heated seats for the driver and the passenger. Push to start to the left. Below the climate control, you have a few more options, including your automatic start and stop and your lane keep assist. Storage compartment at the front for you to use, as well as a couple of outlets. Next to the shifter is your drive mode selector and electronic parking brake. Dual cup holder just in front of the center console at the front here. You can open that up for some more storage space on the inside. Up top you have the rear view mirror, of course. You also have some interior lighting controls located above you. And in front of the passenger you have the glove box, which is quite spacious. So there's some storage space in the front of the vehicle if you need it. Moving on, we'll go ahead and take a look at the exterior. You have that sterling metallic paint, the red GMC emblem in the center of the black grille, black accents along the bottom of the front bumper, LED headlamps, aluminum wheels with GMC center caps, black mirror caps with your blind spot indicator at the front, paint match door handles with keyless entry. At the back you have the 4x4 badge in the corner next to the tailgate and the corner step rear bumper for easier access into the back. The red GMC emblem above the chrome Canyon nameplate in the center of the tailgate and the elevation badge in the corner. Open up the tailgate, you have plenty of storage space in the back with cargo tie-down locations at each corner, as well as having onboard power. And the easy lift tailgate makes it super easy to close when you're all done. Finally, we'll go ahead and take a look at the interior in the rear. You have the same jet black finish you had in the front, magazine holders on the backs of the seats, the black leather seating as well. The center will fold down for cup holders for the rear passengers. You can pull the handle on the side here to lift the seat, giving you access to the underseat storage, and you can pull that again to put the seat back into place. On the back of the center console, you have your 2 cup holders and a couple of outlets for the rear passengers to use. Thanks so much for joining me as we took a look at a new 2024 GMC Canyon Elevation. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you can get more video reviews just like this one, and we hope to see you in the near future.